All right, we're going to try job 24 today. This is a challenge one for sure, but it'll be a good one if we can get through it. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the steps that are involved. So first thing we got to do is make a table. It doesn't really matter how big because we can always add or remove columns later. But just to keep it easy, I'm just going to count how many, 3, 7, 10, 11. It looks like around 12. So we'll go 12 rows, and it looks like there's only 3 columns, so we'll do that. Okay, so very first thing I would do is I would certainly recommend just merging and doing all the kind of stuff that you're going to need to. So we definitely need to merge this. So I'll merge that. And then if you notice, this is going to be my stage of life. This is going to be my facts, and this is going to be my information. Okay, and you could copy out all of the facts that I've listed there, and then you're going to fill in all the information. So I've copied all of that. And now, so the stage of life. So these 3 are my early life. Oh, let's back that up. Let's see what I got. Oh, I copied the wrong stuff. I got to copy these. All right, there we go. That looks better. So I've copied that in. So these 3 are going to be my early life right here, which means I need this to all be merged so I can write the word early life. The next 4 are going to be called my middle life. And then my next 3 are going to be my older life. Okay. And then you're going to be able to fill in all your information. I'm just going to drag this over so it makes it look okay. And then this says Mr. Balcone's biography. All right, we're looking good. So now there's a couple of things we need to do. We need to make this look kind of like mine does. So definitely this font looks a little bit bigger. It's centered, it's bolded, and it's underlined. But you'll notice that there's something else that's happening there. There's something called small caps happening. And I'll show you how to do that. If you notice, all the letters are capitalized, but the ones that are actually capitalized, like the M, the V, and the B, are still bigger. So I'll show you how that looks. So if you go to Format and you go up to Font, we just hit small caps and we are good to go. So that looks great, and we just need to do some shading, so I'll just shade that in. All right, so my stage of life, my fact, and my information, all those things are centered, so I've centered all of those. Now, these. So my early life, it definitely does say early life, but it's rotated. So how do we go about doing that? Well, if I go to layout and I go to text direction, I can actually start rotating my text all the way around. So I want to rotate it until it looks a little bit like that. And I'm going to do that for my middle life and my older life as well. And then from here, you can play around with the column widths and make them exactly how you see fit. And just keeping in mind that this should also be centered. So if I go to layout, center it, and then you can fill it in and color it as I have. I know you can't really see on the printed copy, but it should look something like this, where there are different colors happening here, just to make it look nice and pretty. Okay.